Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn the basics of Microsoft Word. First let us learn how to create new file. Number 1, select File button which is located at the top left of the tab section. Number 2, then select New option to create a new file and then select Blank document to get empty file, or else you can also select different templates which are already available. And the another way to create a new file is by using the shortcut key that is Ctrl+N button. Second one is how to open a saved file. Step 1, go to File button on top left side, then click on the Open File, or else here there is a list of recently and frequently opened files. If the searching file is visible there you can open it directly from that list. Step 2, if you want to search the file with the given file name. Then use the shortcut key Ctrl+O to open the file dialog box, then give the file name and you will find the file, then double-click on it to open. Third one, how to save file. Saving file is nothing but storing the data permanently in a file with specific name in the PC. Firstly, there is an autosave option which saves the file automatically in the cloud storage like OneDrive immediately in the presence of internet. And also go to File, there you'll find the option Save and Save As. Save option is used to save the data of a new file. Save As, it is used to save the file again with the data added in the previously saved file. That is saving the old file again with some changes and new name to old file. Finally, you can also save the file by using the shortcut key Ctrl+S. Fourth one, how to close a file. First go to File and move down and there will be an option named Close, then click on it to close the file. Or else directly go to top right corner and click on symbol X to close the file. Finally, you can also use the shortcut key to close the file, that is Alt+F4. Fifth one, navigate a file with shortcut keys. By this method we can easily operate the MS Word only with the keyboard. Press F6 or Alt button, in which they pop up or highlight the individual tabs with specific alphabets. With the help of those letters and numbers we can easily navigate all over the window in MS Word. Here you can see I'm navigating the MS Word from toolbar to below page count region. My selections are highlighted by the box. Sixth one, Word interface. It is the amount of space available to whirl with MS Word in single page is called word interface. For example, I'm entering a default paragraph to make you understand in detail by using =rand. Here the MS Word page is fully filled up with the data completely, which shows the margins and text arrangements. Here you can see the complete word interface I'm highlighting. Finally, this is the layout of the MS Word. From here there is an important introduction of the MS Word. So, let's get into the topic. In MS Word layout, at the top of the file it shows the file name. And at left corner there will be a quick access toolbar. At right side corner there will be three tools, namely Minimizer, Maximize and Close button to close the file. And just below the quick access toolbar there are few more tabs. Namely, File button, Home tab, Insert tab, Draw tab, Design tab, Layout tab, Reference tab, Mailings tabs, Review tab, View tab and Help. These are the tabs which have multiple tools within them. Next, below the toolbar it is called as ribbon, in which all the tools of these tabs are shown here. Below the ribbon it is the page where we enter the data and work with it. And also the page layout are of three types. First one, print layout, which shows single page. Second one, book layout, which shows 2 pages in single window. Third one, web layout, which shows single page with maximum width just like a web page. Fourth one, the page zoom option, which can be increased and decreased. Finally, this is the basic introduction of Microsoft Word. Let's learn more in detailed concepts from the next video. Hope the video was informative. Thank you for watching our videos. Stay tuned for more contents. And please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.